Okay. Okay, so good afternoon, students. Can you all hear me? Am I audible to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So in the last class, we have discussed about arteries. So today, we will be discussing about the veins. So in the veins, you will find that you will get two types. I mean, in two groups, you will be getting the veins, that is deep and superficial veins. So first of all, we will see the deep veins. So deep veins, from the picture itself, you can see that it's a bit dark in color. So these a bit dark in color are deep veins. Understand? And the lighter color ones, that is all this portion, the lighter ones are superficial veins. Understand? ये पिक्चर में क्या दिखाई दे रहा है? हम लोग ब्लू कलर दोनों का दिखाई दे रहा है कि नहीं? जो थोड़ा डार्क कलर का है, जो थोड़ा डीप में है, उसको बोलते हैं डीप वेन्स। और जो थोड़ा लाइट लाइट कलर में है, मतलब ब्लू कलर में ही है, लेकिन थोड़ा लाइट है कि नहीं? तो वो उसको क्या बोलते हैं? सुपरफिशियल वेन्स। ठीक है, समझ में आया? सो these are the two types of veins that you will find in the upper limb vessel. Understand? So let us now see what are the I mean in which veins, what in deep veins, what are the veins that you will get, and in the lighter ones, that is the superficial veins, what are the names that you will be getting. So let me first discuss with you the difference between deep veins and superficial veins. So first let me discuss about the superficial veins. The superficial veins, where do they lie? They lie under the skin. You can also see with your eyes. You just see your limbs here, your arms. You'll find blue color, bluish color, right? It's not it, everyone. Can you see it? You please see it.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh. So those blue color, na? So all those are superficial veins. Understand? They lie where? They lie beneath, means under the skin. So that's why you can. It's also visible. Means you can just easily see it. But the superficial veins, or sorry, the deep veins, they are deep. From the name itself, you just know deep. They lies very deep. Just where do they lie? The deep veins, they lie beneath the layers of tissues and your muscles. Understand? Means very much deep. You won't be able to see just like that. In the picture, you just see like that. Means it's very deep. They lie where? In the layers of your tissues and in your muscles. Understand? The deep veins. The superficial veins are very superficial. From the name itself, you just know, like you can even see with your naked eye because they lie under your skin. Understand? Sometimes the veins, these superficial veins, no, uh, you have received any injection like IV, syringe, anyone, any one of you? क्या तुम लोगों को इंजेक्शन मिला है आईवी करके? सलाइन दिया है?
Yes, ma'am.
सलाइन?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So all those salines and all, na, mostly I mean IV injection they should say. So all those IV, where do they put all those syringe? वो सुई कहाँ किसके अंदर घुसाता है? जो सुई है, that your superficial veins. Understand? Those syringe, na, those needle, when you take an injection, that is IV, or if you take a saline, what happens? They insert under your superficial veins. Understand? So all those are the superficial veins. Okay. So first, let's see. First, you will find the axillary. All those names and also you can't escape. You have to by heart. So axillary veins. So this is the axillary veins. So same thing. Axillary veins, they lie in your axilla, means this portion, and the axillary veins, they comes under your what kind of veins? The deep veins. Understand? In your exam, they might ask you a question like that. What are the deep veins? What are the superficial veins? Name them. In that way, they can give you. So you please see to that. Okay. So the first one is what? The first one is axillary vein. So the axillary veins, they comes under the deep vein. Understand here. And next, just next to that, you will find the what? This one. That is the cephalic vein. Understand? That is the cephalic vein. And if you will come, I mean down, थोड़ा नीचे में आने से what kind of veins you will be getting? You will be getting brachial. This is the brachial. Understand? So in this brachial, you will find that the brachial, what kind of veins is brachial veins? The brachial veins is a part of the deep vein. Understand? It's a part of the deep vein. And first, let me tell you the parts of the deep vein. So, parts of the deep veins. First, what will you find? You will find the deep palmar venous arches. This one, huh? Deep palmar venous arches. So, where will you find the deep palmar venous arches? Here, from the name itself, palm. This is your palm, right? So, you will find under this, means under your tissues, under your tissues and muscles, you will find the palmar venous arch. Palmar venous arch, they are a part of your deep veins. Understand this one? Are you getting my point? समझ में है सबको? Did you understand, everyone? Yes.
Yes,
Okay, I'll ask you again. Huh? I'll ask you again what is the deep vein? What are superficial veins? I'll ask you. So please pay attention. I'll repeat again. In the upper limb vessel, that is the veins, you will find two types of veins. That is superficial and the what? Deep veins. So superficial veins, where do they lie? They lie beneath your skin. You can even see with your naked eye, those blue color. Okay, superficial. And the next is deep veins. So deep veins, they are what? They lie beneath your tissues and your muscles. They lie very deep. You can't see with your naked eye. So those are the two types of veins that you will find. So first, let us discuss about the deep veins. What are the deep veins? The deep veins, first you will find the deep palmar venous arches. This one. This is the palm, right? So this is your palm. So you will find under this your muscles and your tissues. So in all these places, your palmar venous arch, they lie there. Okay, the next is ulnar and radial veins, na? ulnar ulnar and radial veins. So ulnar, this one, huh? This one, ulnar and what? Radial, right? This one means here this part only you will find this part only you will find. Sorry, uh, this part, radial, this one, huh? And ulnar, small finger. Always remember, radial is thumb side, and ulnar, this portion. This portion side you will find the deep vein, that is ulnar and radial vein. Okay, next deep vein is what? Brachial vein. So the brachial vein, uh, it's here. This one. This is the brachial vein. The brachial vein is also the part of the deep veins. Listen, this brachial. Okay, next is axillary. This one, axilla. Brachial is here. Understand? Brachial is here. Axillary is here. Axillary vein. So your axillary vein, it lies in this side. It is in this portion. And the next is subclavian vein. This one means this side. Just this is your collarbone, right? This is your collarbone, and just at the back of that, at the back side of that, you means at the posterior side, you will find the subclavian vein. So the subclavian vein, they are the part of the deep veins. Understand? And these subclavian veins, what do? They begin at the hand, means this portion. I mean, in the hand portion, it is situated or it is located. You can see that. So in this subclavian veins, what are the what are the veins that you will find? The veins that you will find in the subclavian veins are cephalic vein. Those are the superficial veins. Uh, Superficial veins. Cephalic vein. So this cephalic vein, where do they lie? At the back side of your hand. Means this is your hand. Means a bit a back side of your hand. It is situated or it is located. And this cephalic vein, what do? This cephalic vein, they collects blood. They will collect the blood from where? From the superficial veins. Understand? Means from the picture itself, you can just see, right? This cephalic vein, they will collect blood from all around this place. That is the superficial veins. And from the picture itself, you can find it's very much complex. Complex means what is very much haphazard, you can say. Means it's very much jabra. Yeah, you know that, no? So it's like that. And this cephalic vein, if you come like further and further, you will find the radial this one, the radial vein. And this radial vein, where do they lie? They lie in the anterior side of your arm. Means this is the radial, right? This is the radial. In the anterior side of the arm means what? Means at the front, front side of your arm, it's located, this radial vein. Understand? And the next is basilic vein. So this is the basilic vein. So this basilic vein is a part of the superficial vein. And this basilic vein, they lie at the back side of the hand on the ulnar aspect. Means this basilic and ulnar, they lie in the same line. Understand? At the back side of your hand, they are situated. And the last is the median vein. This one. This is a median vein. Understand? Median. You will also find here. Wait. This one is also median vein. I mean the another picture, and this one is also known as the median. Means median veins, you can see they are very small. They are very small, and sometimes it's always not present. Understand? They begins from where? They begins from the palmar. Means from this portion, they will lie here. It will be situated here, then again here. So in that way, the median vein is, situated in that manner. And it will end, this median vein, it will end in the medial cubital vein. Understand? Did you understand, everyone, or else you want me to repeat again? Yes. Yes, students.
मीडियन फिर लास्ट वाला
लास्ट वाला, अच्छा, लास्ट वाला जो है वो सुपरफिशियल वेन्स है, ठीक है, इसको बोलते हैं मीडियन वेन. So median vein, sometimes it's always not present. They are very small. This median veins ना, they are very small. ये जो median veins है बहुत छोटा है और कभी कभी मतलब presence नहीं रहता है every time. तो ये जो median veins है पहले कहाँ पे मिलेगा? पहले यहाँ पे मिलेगा. ठीक है, ये superficial veins का part ही है. So this median veins, they are the part of the superficial veins. So this median veins first you will find in the brachial portion. तो ये जो मीडियन वेन्स है ब्रेकियल पोर्शन में मिलेगा, ठीक है. और आते आते कहाँ तक पहुंच जाएगा? मीडियन क्यूबाइटल वेन. मीडियन क्यूबाइटल वेन में यहाँ पे मतलब एंड होगा, समाप्त होगा, ठीक है. So in this medial cubital vein, it will end here. That the median vein, that is the superficial vein. Did you understand?
yes ma'am.
Did you understand the difference between superficial and deep veins, everyone?
Ma'am,
Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
See?
where is this basilic vein?
What? The basilic vein.
Does it lie?
The basilic vein is here, and the basilic vein is the part of the superficial vein. Elastra. The
Yes, ma'am.
basilic veins, they lie at the backside of the hand in the ulnar aspect. Means ulnar aspect means what? Means in your ulnar side is situated this basilic vein. They are the part of the superficial veins. For you all, means only like you need to know only like what to say. It's superficial veins or deep veins. Okay, it's not it's not required to go that much in deep also. You just know that the difference between superficial and the deep veins. I mean, uh, this vein is what type. Okay, so for example, brachial vein. Brachial vein is superficial or deep vein. Okay, so in that way, you just like uh, you just try to know in that way.
Okay, ma'am.
Means you just try to know in that way, as well as I mean axillary vein, where do they lie, huh? If I say where is the axillary vein, if I'll ask you, if you will say in this portion, I mean in this palm portion the axillary vein is situated, then obviously it won't be correct. It's not it. So you have to know which vein is situated where. Not only the types of the veins, you need to know which vein is situated where. You need to know that one also. Did you
Okay, ma'am.
understand, everyone, the difference between deep veins, superficial veins? Haboklang?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you please turn on your video and show me your notes?
Okay, ma'am.
I can't see anything. Haboklang, I can't see anything. Oh, I can see now. What is this red color thing?
Earphone, ma'am.
Please bring closer so that I can see. Show me your diagrams also. Show. Okay. It's okay, Bhaboplan. You can turn off your video.
Okay, ma'am.
Next, Darshana. Darshana, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Darshana, please turn on your video.
On camera.
On क्या लेकिन दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है दर्शना तुम्हारा नेटवर्क
Talk slow, sir.
अच्छा ठीक है कोई बात नहीं दिव्यजीत दिखाओ दिव्यजीत तुम्हारा चेहरा नहीं, तुम्हारा नोट्स नोट्स।
मैम मतलब मेरा कॉपी इस रूम में ही रह गया, मैं पीछे
लेकिन
एक्चुअली
एटलीस्ट
आई एम
वो दिस्ता खरीद सकते हो ना, दिस्ता
हाँ मैंने
खरीद के मतलब। और कोई कोई बात नहीं। अच्छा, हेमम शैली देवी, प्लीज टर्न ऑन योर वीडियो।
मैम मेरा नोट अभी इनकम्प्लीट है।
स्टिल इनकम्प्लीट। ओके, इलास्ट्रा। इलास्ट्रा। Ilastra, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Please turn on your video and show me your notes.
I've al-
Please turn the page.
See, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, yes, I can see. Okay. Okay, very good, Ilastra. You can turn off your video. Okay, next, Ishan. Hello. Next, Ishan. Hello, Ishan, can you hear me? Hello. Ishan, can you hear me or not? Okay, if yes, then please turn on your video and show me your notes. You did not complete or what, Ishan? Huh?
notes I have not.
Uh-huh.
Yesterday जो दिया था ना वो नहीं हो गया अभी।
अच्छा, जो पहले दिया था, पहले जो दिया था हो गया।
पहले का हो गया
वो आर्टरीज,
आर्टरीज
हाँ आर्टरीज हो गया।
आर्टरीज और veins।
नहीं नहीं, मैंने आर्टरीज दिया था ना परसों, मतलब मंडे
तो
और
वही परसों का नहीं हुआ।
वो भी नहीं हुआ।
हाँ
Okay, please write, whoever didn't complete. Next, Wycombe Melvina.
मैम वेन इन द अपर लिम्स की डायग्राम कंप्लीट नहीं हुई,
अभी तक नहीं हुआ। अच्छा ठीक है।
थोड़ा बाकी है।
Okay, okay, fine. Next, Nakishisha. Okay. Okay, good, Nakishisha. You can turn off your video. Okay, next, Finisha. Finisha. Okay, keep on turning the page. Okay, okay, good, Finisha. You can switch off your video. Rashmi. रश्मि सोनवाल हो गया लिखना रश्मि या बाकी है? अच्छा
नहीं डायग्राम बाकी है, नोट लिखा है।
अच्छा ठीक है कोई बात नहीं. Okay, next, which person? Which person? Can you hear me? Hello? Which person? Kharpan, can you hear me? Next, Rudolph. Rudolph. What happened? Can't hear me, Rudolph and which person? Okay, next, Salam Girija Devi.
Sorry.
You didn't complete, Salam. Huh? Have you completed or not, Salam?
Not complete, ma'am. Sorry.
It's okay. Okay, next, Samuel. Samuel. Can you hear me, Samuel? Hello? Hello, Samuel, can you hear me? Next, Sheetal.
Ma'am, I haven't started yet.
You haven't started yet. When you will start? Today?
Sunday.
Huh?
Yes.
Today, na?
Yes,
Okay,
today.
today you start. Okay, next, Srijana.
Yes, ma'am.
Please turn on your video, Srijana.
Can you see, ma'am?
Wait. No, I can't see. Wait, just wait, huh? No, I can't see Srijana. Yeah, I can see now.
Okay.
Show me your diagrams. Okay. Srijana, if possible, you please color it, huh? Veins, arteries. Arteries you color in red and veins you color in blue. And if possible, no, I'm telling to every one of you, if possible, you all like color that deep veins a bit dark in color. Did you get my point? Means you made it a bit darker. I mean, you color in such a way that it looks a bit deep, no? And the superficial veins you can color in a bit lighter way, so that it will be easy for you to understand it. Okay, next, Trishna, you can turn off, Trishna. Next, Trishna.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ दिखाओ. Diagrams दिखाओ, Trishna.
मैम वेन का नहीं क्या आर्टरी का क्या है?
Okay, जो है दिखाओ. सिर्फ आर्टरीज का
मैम
क्या है ना?
ये जॉन
अच्छा.
क्या है?
ओके, दिखाई दिया मुझे. अच्छा ठीक है. Okay, whoever didn't finish, You please try to complete it, huh? You please try to complete it. Did you, okay, today's class, did you all understand? Superficial veins and all that.
Yes, ma'am.
Will I ask you? Tumpe? Tumpe Jillian?
Yes,
What is the difference
ma'am.
between deep veins and superficial veins? Tumpe? Tumpe? Okay, Surajit. Surajit, can you hear me? Surajit, can you hear me? Hello? Okay, who can hear me then? Ilashra, can you hear me? Ilashra is also not there.
So, ma'am.
Okay, Sheetal. Sheetal, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Sheetal, tell me the difference between deep veins and superficial veins.
Ma'am, deep veins we cannot see with our naked eyes. Another we can see our naked eyes.
Can you please tell me a bit elaborately? I mean, a bit, what to say, descriptive way.
Though deep deep veins we cannot see with our naked eyes.
No, 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 not like this, not like this. Where do they lie, the deep veins? And the superficial veins, where do they lie? Tell me like that, not you can't see, you cannot see, not like that.
Deep veins it lies under the muscle.
Huh. And superficial veins? Superficial veins? Where?
भूल गया अभी.
Beneath your skin, na?
हाँ,
Yes. Sorry. They lie beneath your skin. Wait, I'll show
yes,
you
ma'am.
again. This one. Can you see it, everyone? The superficial veins, they lie beneath the skin or below your skin. Understand? And the deep veins, they lie at the layers of your tissues and muscles. And you will always find that the deep veins, they are thicker, means they are bigger. ये दो deep veins है ना, ये लोग बड़ा है. Superficial vein, अगर superficial veins अगर सुपरफिशियल वेन्स और डीप वेन्स एक साथ कंपेयर करने से क्या होगा, ये जो डीप वेन्स है ना, बड़ा है दिखने में कंपेयर टू द superficial veins. Understand? These deep veins, you will find that they are bigger in size compared to the superficial veins. Understand? And what is the main job of the deep vein? The main job of the deep veins is that they receive the blood from the superficial veins and they pump it into the heart. Understand? the main work, you can say. What is the main, I mean, what is the function? What is the function of the deep vein? The function of the deep veins is that they receive blood. They used to receive blood from the superficial veins. Listen, and they pump it into the heart again. Did you all understand? Everyone, today's class?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
And, huh? Yes, someone was saying something. Did you all understand, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, before ending the class, everyone please turn on your video so that I can know whether you have really attended the class or not. All of you please turn on your video. Ashra, I can see. Darshana, show me your face. Okay. Haboklang, Hamam Shelly Devi,
Ma'am.
Rudolph, Salam, Samuel, Salam Girija, Surajit, Tumpe Jilen. Turn on your video. Surajit, Rudolph, Samuel, Tumpe. Turn on your videos. Okay. Surajit, what happened? I still now I can't see your face. Surajit, Samuel, Rudolph also. What happened today? So few of you have attended the class, only 19. What happened to the rest? Okay, you can turn off your video. Okay, Divyajit,
Yes, ma'am.
and Srijana, please take, please take the attendance, and after you finish collecting them, this one, the attendance, please inform me so that I'll end the meeting.